Hello, this is Ask Michael Show, where you ask your productivity questions and I answer them. Let's go. So another question is about templates and about Nozbe.HOW templates. And I'm really happy that I get this question because it's a great passion of mine to be able to share structured information like Nozbe.HOW templates. As you know, every project in Nozbe can be saved as a template in Nozbe. So when you have a nice project nicely outlined, you can save it as a template, and then later you can this template you can share to to others through the internet, and there will be a special Nozbe.HOW link generated if you want to, and then you can actually publish it also on social media and share this template with the rest of the world. And we have dedicated websites in different languages with different templates. So if you go to Nozbe.HOW, then you can see the templates in English. And then if you go to local websites, how.nozbe.com/pl for Poland, and then DE for Germany. So like you can have access to all these language versions of templates. And actually, in the footer of the Nozbe.HOW website, you can choose different language. So it's very easy to find templates in your language. And so make sure to check them out. We have many of them, and we have many of them created by our team and by our users. So we got lots of great information being shared through these templates. And the best part about these templates is that when you open a template, you can send this template to anyone, even if they're not a Nozbe user. And any template you like, you can import it to Nozbe with just one click. You import it to Nozbe, it creates a project directly in your Nozbe account. And from there, you can set the template for yourself or modify the template and then save it. So it's really, really useful. I've shared a few of the templates over the years, my weekly review template, my packing list for my triathlons, my packing list for my trips, like many templates I've shared, my quarterly offsite, like a few of them I've shared over the years. I will link to them in the show notes of this episode. And I encourage you to share yours and post comments here below this video and let me know which kind of templates did you share or which kind of templates did you like. So make sure to check it out, Nozbe.HOW. Thank you.